Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Google Pixel device to OPPO Reno13 FS 5G. Begin by opening Play Store on both devices. Then download free app called Send Anywhere, and when it's ready, launch it. Now tap on the same options in both apps to set them up. Firstly, I agree and I acknowledge. Then confirm, continue, and allow. Nextly, select Allow All, and then allow one last time. When you see this window about new updates, choose whatever you want to continue. So you can select OK or Not Now, and then OK. Either way, when you're ready, click on your device's displays and select Send at the bottom left corner of Google Pixel. Then receive right next to Send at the bottom of OPPO. Also on Google Pixel, using all of those categories at the top, pick all of your files you wish to send. I will go with only a few just for example. Now, in the two categories, Contacts and Files, you need to select Allow to continue. Then pick your files. If you see this pop-up, Allow access to manage all files, click on gray switcher right next to it, and tap on the back button. When you're ready, hit Send next to Selected at the bottom to continue. Then hit OK. Choose Got It. And decide which connection way will be better for you. If you want to connect by scanning this QR code, tap on the scanning icon above User Guide on OPPO. Then close and add, allow camera access in the pop-up, and finally point your device's camera at the code. To input this key, hit Input Key section, type in all of those numbers in correct order, and then hit Receive button. And as you can see, after that, all of my files were successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!